You can also easily create a full screen calling card with your most important personal information when you call someone with your Pixel. Let's see right away how to do it. First, let's go to the phone app, then head into the settings menu, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the option for calling card. Let's go ahead and step inside. In this section, we have the ability to customize the calling card that we want to appear on other people's screens whenever we call our contacts. Or, as I explained in the video from a few weeks ago, we can also manage the calling cards of our contacts. That is to say, what we see on our own screen when someone else calls us. Now let's take a look at how to customize our screen. Let's go to the Create section. The first important notice is that the data, our contact card, will be saved to our personal Google account. And this is specifically what enables Google to show it to our contacts during calls. Let's tap OK and proceed. First of all, we can add an image from the camera, from your gallery, or from Google Photos. First, let's head over to the gallery. Choose our image and set it. We can both scale the image up or down and shift its placement, adjusting the exact position of our photo. We can also change the specific font used. There is a wide variety of styles to choose from. Besides the font type, there are many additional customization settings and fine-tuning controls that adjust the text, as you can see here, so that everyone can find the exact style they prefer. Then we can customize the specific text color. There's a very wide color palette, even if it's not infinite. Let's choose red. Once you are finished with the setup, simply press the Done button in the top right corner to save your new contact card. A detailed preview will then be shown, and Google provides us with the specific option to choose exactly who is allowed to see it. You can select either only your personal contacts or anyone who calls you. Basically, if you would prefer to maintain a higher level of personal privacy, you can easily choose to share it with only your saved contacts. On the other hand, if you don't have any privacy concerns, especially regarding the image you've used, you can choose to let everyone see it. Let's save it. This takes us right back to the home screen where, as you can clearly see now, my personal calling card has finally been filled out. So what's the product expert's trick? Now, Antonio will show you. If we prepare a specific image in advance, perhaps by using a tool like Canva or Gemini's Nano Banana, with the specific information we want to display, we can then use that custom graphic instead of just a generic image or a simple photo. I'll show you right away what I mean. I've already prepared a few various images for you. First example. I am using the contact card to promote my YouTube channel. I put my logo, the name of my channel, the product expert icon at the bottom, as you can see. And of course, I position the elements so they wouldn't be covered by the text. By using a preset background image, we can effectively promote other things when we call our contacts. I tried this out with my YouTube channel. Let's look at a few more examples. Take, for example, the dedicated Instagram enthusiast who constantly promotes her profile while asking for a new follow. Or again, let's go back for a moment. I had prepared another one, and here it is, specifically for my own business and my work. As you can see, I inserted the email at the bottom. Of course, this is a fake email, the logo of my business, and I can always change the text colors here as well, but I think white works just fine. And so I can choose to display with my calling card if, for example, I'm using a professional work number, the contacts of my office, the email or other information, a QR code for the website, basically whatever information you might want. We can really have fun and customize this screen as much as we like. Thank you, Google. This is truly a great feature. Bye, guys. Thank you for following me. I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.